escalation of conflict in the region, the Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel suffered significant damage after being struck by an Iranian missile. The impact, while thankfully causing no casualties, devastated multiple buildings on the prestigious scientific campus. This event is not just a physical blow, but a massive disruption to years of scientific research.
We were hit by an Iranian missile attack that was early Sunday morning. Several of our buildings were damaged. 2 of our buildings were directly hit. Luckily for us, there were no casualties, so there were nobody in the buildings. The buildings were empty, and I think that's the most important thing. None of our students, postdocs, faculty, researchers, nobody was hurt.
Labs housing sensitive experiments and biological samples were hit directly, leading to irreversible losses. For scientists who had spent months, sometimes years, gathering data and conducting studies, the destruction is a serious setback.
We did our best to save as much of the samples as we could from the labs, from the buildings, while we were fighting the fire, for example. Clearly, a lot has been destroyed.
It will take us a lot of time to essentially recover from this, because some of these experiments really took a lot of time, and we collected tissues. For example, experiment that ran for half a year or 1 year, and you collect the entire process, you collect the tissues from, and you wanted to analyze all these tissues in 1 day, and you realize that there are no tissues. Everything is gone.
While emergency teams worked to salvage what they could, the loss of long-term experimental samples and research materials means some projects will never be completed. The institution estimates it may take a year or more to restore full research capacity. Beyond the immediate damage, the strike brings forward a broader concern: how ongoing geopolitical tensions can endanger scientific progress and cooperation.
I would estimate that it will take us about a year to get into a full gear of research and with everything working again. But again, I want to emphasize that some of this research we will not be able to recover.